A warm welcome from the CERATIZIT booth at the EMO 2025 here in Hannover. I'm very proud to present you today the two new product tiers for CERATIZIT cutting tools. CoreLine, our comprehensive product line for all-day machining applications with a very high quality and a very good price-performance ratio. With this CoreLine product tier, we make it easier for our customer. We simplify the choose of the right product. The second product tier is our advanced line. Our advanced lines are engineered for high manufacturing demands if it comes to tool life and specific applications. In CoreLine and in the advanced line product tier, we divide by home machining tools, drilling, reaming, fine boring and so on. We have turning tools and we have our milling tools. With these two product lines, we make it easier for our customers to choose the right tools, fits to their application and their budget. Please have a look on our booth, talk to our experts. We are more than happy to explain you our two new product tiers.